how old I was when I had my first boyfriend.
Where you got? Tangent? No, I just put it in.
Really? Hey. Hi guys, and welcome back to our channel and to another challenge. Today we will be doing the most anticipated challenge that we wanted to do for a long time now. We'll be doing the how well do we know each other challenge. So if you don't know how this challenge goes, is that I am going to be asking baby something related to me, and if he gets it wrong, then I am going to spray some whipped cream in this plate and splat it in his face.
I have one joker.
No joker.
Okay.
No joker. And if I get his question wrong, the same thing is gonna happen to me. I'm really not looking forward to that, but it should be fun. It should be a good laugh. So sit back, relax. I don't think you guys should get a cup of tea because you're gonna laugh so much that he's gonna burn your girl. Okay, so don't get a cup of tea, get some tissue because you're gonna laugh so hard you're gonna need that tissue. All right, so let's just jump straight into this challenge. Let's go.
Tissue?
Yeah,
okay,
it's right here.
Okay.
You're gonna need it. Okay, so question number one. Ready? Ready? What is the name of my first workplace?
Hold on.
I'm shaking.
Yeah, don't.
It's getting fluffy. You know it though.
Yeah, I know it. It's
Come on.
Far
All
in
right.
my brain.
We need to give you some seconds. Think.
Yeah.
Or is the clock?
But it's just,
10 seconds on the
it
clock.
just don't come.
10, 9,
It just don't come.
8, 7, 6,
No, it's C.
5.
It's not Chong.
Yes, it is. Yes. I should give you because that was like you're asking me. Alright.
Yeah, that was my answer, Chong.
Alright, you get it. Yeah.
Take it back and you do.
Your question to me now.
What is the first sport that I ever do in club?
Do I know? Make sure they're realistic. Make sure we've had this conversation before.
Not my business.
No, but you can't ask me something that I don't know, honey. That don't make no sense. What's the first sport? Baby, you're here. What's the first sport you ever do in club?
10, 9, 8, 7,
Baby, give me a hint.
6, 5,
Baby.
3. At least try one sport.
Track?
1, 0.
Track. Oh my god.
Just a little bit to stop.
You stay there, Monica Tiff. I'm not having no mercy on you, so stay there. Oh my god.
It tastes good. I've been nice. I didn't splash you.
I'm gonna
go
splash
easy.
you.
That was judo.
Babe, but I didn't know that.
I told you so many times. Every time I watch it on the Olympic, I say that's the first I did. But you should have known.
I'm gonna cry. Alright, watch me and you. What is the name of my elementary school?
I don't know that.
What is the name of my elementary school?
I don't know that.
How come you don't know that?
Elementary school.
Basic school. What's the name of basic school?
You told me this one.
Yes.
That's
You even pass it and I show it to you. 10,
I don't know.
9,
Was like
8.
Saint Elizabeth.
I didn't grow up in St. Elizabeth.
Where you got? Saint James? No, I just put it here.
Really?
I opened my eyes just before. Damn it. That was a $500 shirt. That's what is it to be nice with you, just to put a little bit of my praise. How many brothers sisters do my daddy have? You know?
Oh my god. Oh my god. Alright, your father have 2 sisters.
Right.
Okay.
So let's see if you find them.
Okay, brother is 4 brother and 2 sister. Oh!
5.
I know it! It's 5 brother and 2 sister?
5 you.
My god. I knew it was a 5. Why did I say 4?
You were close. Look, just a little tip. Because I know you're gonna mess up all the questions, so I need to save some.
I knew it was 5. So why did I say 4?
Good, you missed
I
one.
knew it was 5. How old I was when I had my first boyfriend? You know, because I talk about it so much. You have to know. Don't your face like that.
Can I get several guesses?
No, 1.
I don't know. 15? 16?
You know it's 16.
Well, I didn't know. That's a lot. You're gonna miss some.
Da, 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 da. Wait.
This one is not too hard. Personal. About traveling. What is the first country that I visited?
Baby, I can't remember that. USA.
Ah!
Baby.
This one not
Canada.
hard.
It's Canada.
This one not hard.
Well, obviously we don't know anything about each other. Baby, where it was?
Morocco.
Oh yes! Oh my god!
Look, just a little tip.
Mina business.
Mina business. What do
Weird. Where do I want it?
Where do you want it?
Weird.
Do you want it on the side?
Come.
You want it? Oops, hold on.
What color was I wearing when you first saw me? When you first come to Jamaica? Talk the things then.
You have a jean.
Mm-hmm.
a light blue, but not that type of blue. You see what I mean?
And
a top.
what color? I was naked, so it have to be a top.
Yeah, the top it was kind of green, but not this type of green. Like
oh my god! You get it right. All right, you get it right.
Yeah, but why do I have the same question? I write the same question.
Really?
Yeah. So let's see if you remembered good. Which color top did I have or wear for the first time?
White.
She got it.
Next question. What is two of my favorite colors? Yes.
Blue and I say two. You always say one.
What is two of my favorite color? You answer one. Just answer the next one, no?
Yeah, but
Just answer the next one.
green.
Yes.
How about my mom? Which month did she born?
Oh my god.
It's not too hard.
It's not what?
It's not too hard.
This is embarrassing for me. Your mom.
Well, I can tell you, your mom is in May.
No, wrong. March. No.
March.
Your mom's birthday. Oh my god, this is so embarrassing.
9, 8,
Weird.
7,
This
6,
is so
5,
embarrassing.
4, 3, 2, 1.
I think I know it, but I'm
At
doubting
least try
myself. This one is stressing me out.
Alright, so
Wait,
you have something
wait.
to say for your last or-
June.
Okay, look
Wait,
at this.
wait.
No, it's not June.
It's
It's
wait.
not June.
It's
July.
November.
July.
I know it was June or July.
Alright, you know it was
Can you take this one for me?
No. Alright. Okay. Just one side. Let me do it for you. First to the camera.
No. Okay, guys, we're gonna do the last question. What is something that I enjoy doing the most?
Walk out.
That's true. That's true. That's true. I'll give you this one.
What is the first event that I ever did in competition?
Hurdles.
Okay, you did cross country, 400 hurdles, 3-1 question.
So it's not track and field you're talking about?
Yeah, but it,
That's a different question. Come, gonna take
Hundred.
this one for me.
no, that
Yeah.
was 200. What you doing?
I'm gonna spray your face.
No.
Yeah.
Why you want to spray my face?
Because you're naughty.
No, you can't do that, baby.
Yeah. Why you running?
can't do that. I didn't do. It's me who asked the question.
He's running. Why are you running?
Yeah, but why you want to do that?
To be nice.
You're not nice. Alright, guys. So who won this one is not you.
Alright, you guys. Comment below and tell us who win this challenge. It was a good one. It was a good laugh. We had so much fun doing it. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Comment below. Subscribe if you're new. And we'll see you guys in our next vlog and our next challenge. Bye, guys.
Yes,
I
love.
can't see.
I can't see too. I just let you know that I'm gone. I'm not here anymore. And I'm gone with the paper towel.
You wicked. Tyler. Tyler, poor mommy. Baby, oh gosh, you wicked. Baby, come now. Baby, you can't do me this.
Ah.
wicked. Jesus. Yo, if you're wicked one more time.
You